Hello everyone, let me take you across today's topic in regards to double wall fabrication. Now, in regards to double wall, it is a different type of a wall wherein hybrid construction takes place. Double wall looks something like this. There are two leaves of concrete and then you pour the concrete in between the leaves on the site. So it's a hybrid construction, precast and cast in situ. Now typically where are these double walls used? See, this infill can be concrete or it could be sandwiched foam acoustic material. So this could be used as a facade element, number one. Number two, wherever your overall thicknesses of shear walls or core walls is greater than 10 to 15 tons, I mean to say wherever your thicknesses are coming more than 200, 300 mm and so on, you can use double walls to reduce the weight right from production to bringing it on the site. You can reduce the weight and you can pour the in between concrete on the site. Number three, it could be used very efficiently as a part of a retaining wall. So you reduce your shuttering time in the basements drastically, and the quality of finish, it's absolutely marvelous. There are no seepages in future, no leakages, and 100% almost 99% impervious concrete that you get directly from the factory, because these leaves are 100% compacted and cured in the factory. Okay, so these are the implications and usages of double walls. Now let me take you across. The production limitations are same as I've discussed in regards to the solid walls being produced using tilting tables. Shuttering thicknesses are, two leaves are generally 60 to 70 mm thicknesses, and then voids in between can range right from 150, 160, 200 mm, 300 mm and so on. Depending upon your overall thickness of walls that you require, you can change the intermediate lattice girder thicknesses. So it depends upon the equipment that you buy from a supplier, and then they will give you the catalog of the variables of thicknesses of the overall double walls that you can fabricate. Here also the tilting tables size are 12 meters by 4 meters, and effective useful area is same as 11.5 by 3.5 meters. Additional component here is this turntable, which turns the first leaf on top of the second leaf. Okay, so you fabricate this first leaf and then you place the first leaf on top of the second leaf while the concreting of the second leaf is just done. So let me show you the quick video to demonstrate the production of double wall. Okay, so this was a small demonstration video. Let me jump finally to the cost of this entire assembly of production of double walls. The main component is the turntable. What I have shown you earlier in my tilting table production cost, those remains the same. Okay, so the inclusiveness of the tilting tables along with vibrator motors, pump, it goes to around 2.5 crores ex factory. So logistics is separate. Okay, so this is the overall costings of tilting tables, turntables, hydraulic systems, vibrating motors. Okay, so I think we are done with overall double wall systems, and you can see this image of double walls being placed on the site and construction being done. So I would like to end my session of double wall here. I hope it was useful to you. Kindly do like the video, subscribe it. It gives me a lot of encouragement and motivation to produce further videos and lecture series. Thank you so much. Thank you.